Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
HookGPT review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called HookGPT. So this is the HookGPT review, and right now we are on the sales page and the demo video is not out yet. It shows coming soon, so maybe you will find the demo video on 17th. Okay, anyways, on the sales page it says still struggling to get good leads consistently. How about traffic? Create unlimited chat GPT powered fully monetized profitable flip books in 60 seconds that generates thousands of clicks and leads without writing, coding, design or budget. Copy the same strategy that big corporates, online business authors have been using to driving millions of new buyers every month. Skeptical, watch the video below for fake proofs. Okay, so I will not be wasting my time here. I will try to make this very quick because we don't have to go through the demo video because the demo video is not available, so that will be my time saver. Flip books are these kind of books. Okay, so when you talk about online flip books, they will have some images. People can swipe right to flip the books. You know, they're like ebooks but with some nice images. Okay, now these people are telling you that you can get traffic, this and that. These people are bastards. Okay, because we're talking about this website called warriorplus.com here. And if you see the products here, they have 22 products. Okay, so if you give them 17 bucks and you buy the front end, they will not leave you alone. They'll make you pay all this money. Okay, so if this concept, these books, flip books, ebooks, bullshit, if all of this was making money, then why are they selling this thing to you in $17? Not even just 17. They want you to pay for God knows why. Why will you pay $397? Okay, one day I will get heart attack, but I will continue doing this as long as I possibly can physically. Okay, so HookGPT is a bullshit concept. I don't care if the software will work or if the software will not work. It's not my problem. My simple one question which will be answered is, if you buy HookGPT, will you make money with this? The answer is no, you will not make money with this. That's it. Okay, because these people are scammers. They come on Warrior Plus, this website. They have an email list. Okay, so if I go to overview and you go to the profile of the vendor here, you will see 15,000 plus sales. These sales are not just sales, they are also email addresses of those 15,000 people or idiots. Okay, so these 15,000 plus idiots have purchased something from him in the past, and he will come back again and again and will sell the garbage thing to them. Well, when I say garbage, I am not talking about if the software will work or not. For me, the concept is garbage. Okay, I have said this 1,000 times, literally 1,000 times, because on my channel I have done 1,100 plus reviews. Okay, so I'm saying the same thing over and over again until I am taking breath here, until I'm able to breathe. I have to keep saying it's all bullshit. Okay, because if one thing was supposed to make money, the second thing will not be needed. What makes money is traffic, not some fucking software. Okay, how do you make money? If you go on 17th of this March 2023, you go and search for HookGPT review in Google or in YouTube, sorry, you will see other YouTubers are giving you some bonuses in your bum, and they say go and buy from me, because if you buy, they make money, you don't. You don't make money if you buy HookGPT. You make money if you sell HookGPT in your YouTube videos. Okay, for example, if I decide to go and sell this HookGPT to you in my YouTube video, then I will make half of the money, he will make half of the money, and you will lose all the money. All the money here means $17. Okay, and then if you go and buy some upgrades, you will lose more money. Okay, so now let's cut the bone here, and you can understand what I'm going through. You can't actually. Let me show you. If you go to this channel TubeCore here and come to playlist here, and you will see the reviews 1.1k. 1.1k means more than 1100 reviews I have done in last 22 months. Your entire generations will not be able to do that. It's a record. It's a freaking record, okay? Making 1100 videos, and the minimum duration of each video is 30 minutes. So my average video is half an hour long, and I have done it more than 1100 times. Making 1100 videos is not a record, but making 1100 videos in 22 months only, that is a record. You can't do that shit, okay? So pay respect to my work. I don't need your fucking money. I have saved thousands and thousands of dollars for one individual in all this time. So listen to me, okay? Because I am doing it as long as I'm doing it. Stop this bullshit. Somebody else will give you a software in $17 and you start making fucking money and all that garbage. Don't make me waste my time. Do we have a demo here? We don't really. Let me see. I'll not play. Alright, so do we have some questions at the bottom? I don't think so, right? So the sales page is done, demo video is not available, so it saves my time. If you buy this, you will lose $17. And if you get the software, what will you be able to do? You might be able to generate some flip books. So what? So what? Who's gonna come and read your flip books? Do you have traffic already? I told you, you don't make money by buying HookGPT. You make money if you sell HookGPT. How would you sell? You will come and make a YouTube review. If people buy from a YouTube video, then you make money and they don't. Let's cut the crap. The only reason I make these videos so that I can tell you, don't waste your money. At the same time, I can tell you, if you really want to make money on the internet, the real money which will come into your bank account, which will actually work the guaranteed way. I don't talk about methods which might make you money, which may make you money, which could make you money. I only talk about the method which will make you money with the guarantee. Nobody else can give you the guarantee. I can, because I work in certainty, okay? Go below the video, subscribe to the channel first, hit the like button, press the bell notification. If you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do all of that, okay? Now we will talk about these links here. So the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. What is Forex trading here? Forex trading is like currency trading. You buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. For example, you see here, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, keep doing that. But you will need expertise to do this, right? We are not asking you to do anything manually here. Instead, what we will do is we will be using a software, and that software will be doing all these trades after we give the settings, okay? So what you need to do is click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch a couple of videos there to understand what are you going to get into. The syndicate is on profit sharing basis, meaning that it is completely on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to have any knowledge. What I will be doing is I will be managing your account. I will be installing this graph. I will be getting the virtual machine up and running. I will install the software. So I will do everything, and you will be keeping 70% profits for doing nothing, and I will be keeping 30% profits weekly. This is how it's going to be, profit sharing basis, okay? And if you want more details, then get into this and watch those videos, and then you can contact me on Skype as well if you have any questions, right? Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. It will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized so that you can make money on YouTube by creating these videos without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not, this video has made some money for me already because my YouTube channel is monetized, okay? You can do the same. You can get 1,000 subscribers and you can get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, and you can get your channel monetized. And this Traffic Jarvis will help you to do all that, within 2 weeks, okay? So check out this Traffic Jarvis if you want to work on YouTube like me, manually, make YouTube videos, reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, monetization. Check out all this, okay? Now let's get back to HookGPT. It's a thing which you have to forget. These things will come and go. Come on, man. Don't make me breathe. Let me breathe, actually. Let me get some positiveness, okay? Let me become positive, right? So these people will come and they will launch something again and again and again. And I will come and try to save your money again and again and again. I have been doing this for 1100 times already. I don't know for how long I will survive. Okay. Right. It takes physical exertion as well. It takes the airs out from your lungs too. But I guess I have been making reviews, and that's what has been working in my favor, because my lungs had been getting stronger. We had COVID in the last 3 years, and during last 2 years almost now, I had been talking and talking and talking. That means my lungs had been getting enough exercise so that my breathing power is, I guess, enough extra. I don't know. Okay, I never got COVID, and I think I'm fine. So if you want to make money online, stop this nonsense of buying something in $17 from Varia Plus. That will get you to nowhere. And these people will come back. They will ask you to pay this. God knows what they are asking you to pay for. If something was supposed to work, then sell that in $17 and walk away. No, they will not walk away. Once they get 17 out of you, they want more until your credit card runs out of the balance or out of the limit. Okay, so don't buy this HookGPT. The software might work, but you will never make money with this. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, if you want to make money online, check out these two links. The first link will help you to make money on automation. 70% profits yours doing nothing, and 30% mine weekly basis. Okay, if you want to work manually like me on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.